Almost done. Look how clean those fins are now. This 69 is mint.
All right, the first step is to carefully remove these retaining nuts. You want to use the correct size socket to avoid stripping them.
This tank, it's the heart of the machine. 50 years of stories etched right here in the chrome.
Where did you find this one?
Buried in a barn up north. The rust is thick, but it'll clean up. Finding peace in the details. The sound of the garage. The Triumph waits patiently. Watch closely as the rust inhibitors lift the grime away from the 69 Bonneville parts.
This 69 Bonneville bearing shows minimal wear. The chrome finish is holding up exceptionally well.
This old Bonnie always takes her time.
Take your time aligning the gasket. This precision is crucial for the T120 engine's performance.
Now we move on to the cylinder head. It is critical to follow the sequence and apply the correct pressure with the torque wrench.
Now for the crucial part, aligning the timing marks. You want to rotate the crankshaft slowly until the dots are perfectly synchronized.
Thread the new plug carefully by hand before using the torque wrench. Wait for that distinct click, and the job is done right.
Listen to that. Absolutely perfect rotation, just like she left the factory.
The rust converter penetrates the surface, transforming the iron oxide into a stable, dark polymer. Look at
Check the rake angle now. Looks dead on, maybe a 1/4 degree out on the left.
adjusting now.
Using the specialized tool, we ensure the cap is threaded correctly before the final torque.
We start by thoroughly cleaning the piston bores. Once the new seals are seated, we gently install the piston and torque the bolts precisely.
Sprocket tight.
We're routing the main loom now, making sure it sits snugly against the frame before we start securing the zip ties.
A proper fit is crucial for these old Bonnies. Get that strap tight and ensure there's absolutely no wiggle room. There we go, nice and steady.
We're cleaning the T120 switches now, making sure the contacts are spotless before reassembly.
Apply firm, even pressure in a circular motion. This is key to achieving that perfect streak-free mirror shine on the chrome casing.
The key here is patience. Slowly smooth out the transfer tape from the center outwards to avoid any air bubbles.
A perfect mirror finish begins with a precise application. Here we see the clear coat flowing out over the iconic Bonneville tank.
The dry cure is essential for that deep, lasting gloss. It's a delicate process, balancing heat and time.
When fitting the new loom, take your time to ensure all the connections are clean and routed correctly along the frame.
All right, so we're setting the torque on these riser bolts now. Make sure they're perfectly aligned before the final click. We're looking for exactly 1 inch of slack. Use the gauge to be precise, then tighten the axle nut. The lifeblood of the engine. Slow and steady.
Finally running smooth. That's what I like to hear.
See how the cloth just lifts those microscopic dust particles, leaving behind this flawless mirror finish.
Power, style, and a legacy that continues to define an era. This is the Triumph Bonneville.
The legendary 1969 Bonneville T120. A timeless classic, perfectly preserved.
This is the 1969 Bonneville T120. Polished, powerful and utterly iconic. A true masterpiece of British engineering.
The legend returns. The 1969 Triumph Bonneville T120.